Okay, so I've got this black, well, purpley black Pittosporum tenuifolium, which I'm going to take out. I'm going to get rid of it completely. It's quite near to the house and it's a very dark blob, and they were very fashionable in the 80s, which is probably when it was planted. So I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose it. And I know this is quite a major thing. It's got to be done. And with all the vegetative growth I've got in the garden, I'm going to compost it, shred it, and put it back into the garden. So I'm actually going to buy quite a powerful shredder for this garden, one that I can move around, so it's going to be working next to where I am. And here I'm just getting these loppers and literally taking it out. And you have to do this in gardening. You just got to be quite ruthless. If you know it's not going to stay, you know it's not part of your plans, you got to get rid. And when I go around to clients' houses, sometimes, you know, I feel like I'm giving them permission to get rid of some of their plants if they don't like them, or they're in the wrong place. This is, I don't really like it, and it's in the wrong place. I mean, it goes quite nicely with my jumper, I think. You know, that's where I got the inspiration from. But if it was a shrub that I really liked that was in the wrong place, I could try and move it. This is probably too old to move, unless you get some serious machinery in to help you do it. So I'm going to get rid of the whole thing, and I'm going to leave a stump at the bottom, because at some point I'm going to be getting a digger into this area, and that digger will just take out the root ball in one go rather than me having to dig it out by hand. Oh, look what I found. Look at that. Yeah, that's how old this plant is. Goes back to the dinosaur days. No, this is obviously a grandchild had hidden it in there. I'm going to keep that for my granddaughter. And already I can see what that's doing to this area. It's opening it up. And these are beautiful, beautiful loppers. Really, really sharp. Japanese forged steel. Really sharp tool. So there you go, that's it. I'm going to leave a stump down there. You can see, I'm just going to leave a stump down there. And that's going to mean that it just makes life easier when you want to dig it out. If you cut it right down to the ground, you've got no leverage. You know, you need something to sort of hold on to, or a digger would just scoop that out in one go. I've got to get used to this with the shadows. So, yep. And let's see. It's already opened this out. Just taking out a plant.